feels like the first time. Throw away all
The cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with it.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Brianamccalip, and you're tuning in to another YouTube video. This video is featuring none other than Remy Forte hair, y'all. And when I tell y'all this hair is giving me so much of grown woman vibes, it's eating, it ate, it served its purpose, and Remy did their thing with this color. Do you see the color in here? It's matching my pumpkins in the back, and I was like, this is the perfect time to eat. I had to eat, I had to slay on this makeup, I had to do everything in my power to just make this look so good, baby. And I didn't even have to try my power because it came out so bomb. The curls were curled with my T3 curling irons, so that's why the curls are like this, because they are loose. I wanted a loose curl, I didn't want a tight curl. If I wanted a tighter curl, I would have curled it with another one. But the T3 are supposed to give a loose curl, and that is what I was going for. And I love the length of this wig. But I don't want to talk too much because I definitely want to get into the details when I get into this video. But I just want to say thank you so much, Remy for hair, for sending this over. And y'all did y'all thing. Y'all did y'all thing when it came to this. It's giving. It is giving. But if y'all want to see how I achieve this meltdown, y'all got to keep on watching. Hey dolls, if you made it this far, you're in for a treat. Today's sponsored video is Remy Forte hair, and this is a box they sent it in. Very classy, y'all. It just goes with the background, and y'all know I was super excited to open it to see what kind of wig I got. So the wig that's in this box is a Baelish Body Wave honey blonde human hair wig. It is a 13x4 lace front wig, and it is 24 inches long, and the density of this wig is 180%. Now, they didn't send me anything else other in the box but the wig, but that's okay because that's all that matters. I never tried this color wig, and I was super excited because it has black and a little bit of that color inside the wig. So I went off camera and bleached the wig because it was knots, but the knots were very small. It was black knots. And then I just made a part to figure out how I want the style to be. I wanted this style that everybody does. I am not a wig expert, but I'll try something, and 9 times out of 10 it's gonna come out good, but it's not gonna come out as perfect because you have to keep going and testing things out. Okay, so I did also pluck it. It was kind of plucked, but not too much. These are one of the wigs that you have to go ahead and do the work, so that was fine with me because I love doing that, and I just enjoy the time of me spending to improve on my plucking and things like that. I also could have used some Shimmer Light shampoo to get rid of the brassiness, but that's okay because a little bit of the bleach kind of seeped through. Anyways, I did go ahead and take out my T3 curling irons, and I am going to curl this full lace wig all over. I'm the kind of person that goes row by row. I don't know about y'all, because some people do it different. They'll just take it and just start curling and then pin after, or they'll take 3 sections and do it that way. But I just like to get every last piece of hair, and that's probably where my time be going. I just always want to be a perfectionist, but it be coming out so good. So yeah, y'all, I went ahead and started curling to my T3, and I wanted a more softer curl. I could have went in with another curling iron, but I don't have one at the moment. I think I got rid of it. And I just love the loose curl anyway. It just gives very much grown woman, very soft, very luxe looking. It's just giving, okay? So I went with this twist of curl. I'm going to go ahead also too and make this a little bit faster. I did use Spritz from Fantasia line. I like it. It's like a mousse, liquid mousse spritz, and I like it. So you'll see me sometimes spraying it before I put the curlers on it, and then I'll also spray once I curl the hair. But that is it. I'm halfway done. I'm going to speed this up, and I just want y'all to watch because it's just redundant. It's the same thing over and over again. But the way that it's laid out is how I'm going to curl it. Make sure to you separate your part if that's what you want before you start doing this. But yeah, y'all, these curls are about to eat. Another thing I wanted to mention, the hair is very soft. I washed all of it, and it still came out very soft. And let me tell y'all, the bleach took very well. I really wanted to state that because it got rid of all the knots. And sometimes most hair don't take bleach well, but this one did, and I love that. I also could have went in with some black spray, but I just let it be natural, like just how it was, and it was just fine. And if you want any more details about this wig, don't forget to go check in the description right below. Their site will be down there along with the link to this wig. Hey y'all, I'm so excited because I am back with a new background, as y'all can see. But y'all, what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to go ahead and spray some more of this even Wonderlace glue, and I'm gonna add this to my hair. I already added one layer, but I like to add two. I'm not gonna add any more in the back because I don't really like to put a lot in the back, just the front, just so that my cap can stick. So I did curl my wig. As y'all can see that in the beginning, I curled my wig, and then this is gonna be my edge. Okay, that's why I got it out like that. And I pin curled it and everything. I'm pretty sure that I have to cut out where my ear tabs and stuff is gonna be. So I'll probably let some of the curls down and then just recurl them as I go, just so I can get to where I need to get to. But right now, let's just spray this baby down. I'm just gonna let this dry and we'll come back so I can cut it. Okay, y'all, so I cut the cap. It actually turned out really good. I'm gonna go ahead and seal it with some of this even spray. Okay, y'all, so it has been cut and it has been sealed, okay? This ball cap is given. The only thing that I wish they did was send caps. They didn't send caps. I didn't get anything in the bag. The only thing that I got in there, and y'all seen me pulling stuff out, is a wig. I just got a wig, y'all. So I had to find this cap in my closet. Thank God I had some caps up. And I had to bleach. I had to bleach and plug the wig. So that's probably why I look blonde at the roots, because I had to bleach and plug the wig. These aren't the wigs that I usually review where they come already like that. So I did bleach and plug this one. Right now I'm about to put makeup on my cap and also my wig as well. For makeup today, even though I'm going to be using something different for foundation on my face, I'm going to go ahead and take the Born This Way foundation in the shade Spice Rum, y'all. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my wig cap. So I went ahead and added foundation to this. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Now that I got the wig where I want it to be, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive, and I'm going to go ahead and lay this wig down. So I went ahead and I laid it down. Y'all see that? I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to take some of these curls out just so that I can cut this. It's very hard for me to do on camera because I can't see what I'm cutting. This is what I'm at so far. I didn't cut most of this off right here. I'm gonna cut the other tab off. I'm trying my best to look. I can't look in this mirror, y'all, so. I gotta spray some of this stuff on here. The side's really not gonna be showing anyway, so that part don't even matter, y'all. Go for this side. I went ahead and curled the edges on the side, y'all. I don't have no gas to be like the jelly kind. I'm going to use some gas to be and a little bit of edge control. That's what I use on my regular hair. Brush this down and comb it. Like I said, I don't have a mirror here, so it's really hard for me to do anything. Okay, so I went ahead and I came up with this, y'all. It's not the best, but I tried. I'm gonna go ahead and now put my band on and do my makeup. I don't know, but I'm gonna get them swirls down packed, okay? My baby is kind of giving, okay? The girl's giving skin. And baby, this is no filter. No flitter. Let's go ahead and lay this down. I'm gonna put this on. Y'all, so we are back. I did go ahead and take my band off, as y'all seen. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these clips out. When I tell y'all I ate these curls up, I ate the curls up. I had to go in the bathroom to kind of like, where is it? Yeah. I had to go in the bathroom and like hot comb my hair. I can't wait till I get a mirror, but this hair is so pretty. The color is just eating. I put this wig on so good, y'all. This is gorgeous. And all I do is curl it and it just bounce right back, y'all. I love the length too. This length is perfect. The lashes go with this, like the hair just go with everything. Is just everything game. Like the background is just everything, and I am so excited. This unit is giving very much grown woman. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If y'all haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Y'all should have been subscribed. But if y'all haven't checked this wig out, go ahead and click the description bar below and tell them B. Marie sent you. But until then, I will see you guys on my next video.